In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change view in Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a versatile platform widely used for project management and data organization. So being adept at changing views can really optimize your workflow and enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Smartsheet account. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's the essential first step. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your workspace. Your workspace is essentially the landing pad where all your sheets are housed, so it's crucial to start here. Once you're in your workspace, identify and open the specific sheet you want to work with. Think of your sheet as the document containing all the information you need to manage, be it tasks, projects, schedules, or timelines. Now with your sheet open, it's time to switch things up by exploring different views. At the top of your sheet, look for the View drop-down menu. Clicking this will unveil several options designed to cater to various types of data visualization needs. One of the most familiar views you'll find is the Grid view. This is the default mode and it closely resembles a traditional spreadsheet. Grid view is perfect for those who need a straightforward, organized way to enter and manage data, much like you would in Excel. If you're handling project timelines, the Gantt view might be the right choice for you. This view provides a visual timeline of your tasks and projects, but keep in mind to successfully utilize Gantt view, your sheet needs to have at least one date column and one predecessor column. It's an excellent tool for seeing how your project's pieces fit together over time. Next up is the Card view, ideal for those who favor a Kanban approach. This view transforms your data into easily movable cards that can be grouped by any column such as status or priority. This layout is particularly beneficial for task or project tracking, allowing you to visualize the progression of tasks from start to finish. Finally, there's the Calendar view. This is where you can see your tasks plotted on a calendar. For this view, you'll need at least one date column. It's fantastic for deadline management and event planning, giving you a clear overview of what's coming up and helping avoid any scheduling conflicts. Now that you've explored your options, simply select the view that aligns best with your current format needs. Smartsheet will update instantaneously to reflect your selection, allowing you to seamlessly continue your work with a fresh perspective. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively change your view within Smartsheet. Experimenting with these views can significantly help in better data interpretation and project management, so don't shy away from switching things up. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.